Good morning mga lalab. Kakain tayo ng breakfast. Let's eat the breakfast. I have the breakfast today. A cup of coffee with milk. It's only half, little. Scramble egg. Like this. Avocado. And I have here kaki, and usually I like something crunchy, so I have here a toasted bread with sesame, with seeds, and this is a bread with sesame. This is what I like if I eating bread, because this is not, if you toasted it, it's not too much. Probably I used to put olive oil with my avocado, but we don't have any more. We finished it. So thanks God for the blessing for today. I hope this food on my table will start to make me strong for today. And thank you so much for the blessing. So, ayan, let's start na mga lalo. Simple lang ang aking pagkain, but healthy. So, I just only make like this. Ayan. It's crumbly. You know, if I'm drinking coffee, I not put too much coffee. I am always in the medium measurement. Medium of coffee, half of hot water, half of milk, and a little bit sugar. Sometimes I put honey. We need to protect our health. I'm really proud because I am already 63, and I thanks God that I am still healthy without any medicines every day, and I am still working as a domestic helper here in Morocco. So we need to love our body. We need to love ourselves. Sometimes I don't have any of this. What I did is only a cup of milk and coffee, and just I do an egg, and that's it. That is sometimes I feel so tired about everything, other foods. I just only make egg and 1 cup of coffee milk. But you know, egg is very good to our body. You know, I love seeds in the bread. It's good here in Morocco. There is a baguette that has a different kind of seed. If you can see. I'm not eating the processed food. I'm always want to eat the organic and the fresh one. I will eat coffee after 2 minutes on my breakfast. Then I eat coffee. I didn't eat together with it. Just I eat like this. I love to eat something crunchy, you know. And the bread, I want it toasted. I'm almost finished, mga lalab. So, okay. See you on my next video. Bye-bye. God bless.